Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change taskbar alignment in Windows 11. If you want to do it, first you need to click right mouse button on icon with the Windows, and then you need to go to settings. Now you need to go to personalization options. After that you need to scroll down and find here taskbar behaviors and system pins. We need to click on this arrow, and now we need to scroll down and open taskbar behaviors, because here you will find options about taskbar alignment, badging and multiple displays. We need to click here, then we need to scroll down, and first option is taskbar alignment. On default it is set to center, but of course we can change it. We can click here and for example select here left. How you see icons position have been successfully changed, but of course you can always go back to the previous settings if you want. You can click here again and you can select here center. So there are two options that you can try to use. So it is how it works. If I helped you to use this function, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of your problem.